session, we are going to learn about list manipulation in Python. We know Python is a programming language in which list is an important topic. List is a container where we can store multiple values of any data type. Container, in a sense, it is a sequence of memory where we can store either integer, float, character or string or mixed values. What is the need of a list? Why we need list in a programming language? We need it for storing multiple values in a single name. If you want to handle multiple values in your program on a single name, then we need list. And Python is having the advantage of storing multiple values of different data types in a same name. So that's why we are going for list. How to create a list in Python? We can create list in Python in two ways. One is using square bracket. Second one is using built-in list type. So we will see how to create list using square bracket. To create a list using square bracket, we can list out all the elements inside a square bracket and name it to L. So this is an L list with 4 values. We can also create empty list. By specifying no values inside the square bracket. We can also create list with integers and floating values or mixed values like characters and then string inside it. You can see this list L consists of integers, floating numbers, character and string also inside it. A list can also be created using list built-in type in Python. This is the way we can create a list using list built-in type by specifying values inside the parentheses. A list can also be created using tuples as well as strings in Python. Tuples, in a sense, the value specified within parentheses is called as tuples. A tuple is immutable. Immutable means you cannot modify the values inside the tuples. Whereas if you are transferring the values from tuple to list, we can modify the list since list is a mutable elements. In this example, you can see T is a tuple with 4 elements. Now we are transferring the tuple into a list by using the list built-in data type. So L consists of 4 elements of 5, 6, 7 and then 8. In Python, we can do various operations in a list. The operations are joining, repeating and slicing the list. So the joining operation can be done using plus operator by adding two lists. For example, L1 is a list which consists of 3 elements. L2 is another list with another 3 elements. If you want to join, we can give just using plus operator, we can join the 2 lists and generate a third list, that is L3. So now if you display L3, it will display the values from L1 and then L2 together like this. This type of operation is called as joining a list. The second operation in a list is repeating the list. We can do this operation using asterisk operator, which multiples the values, that is, it creates multiple copies of the list and store it in the resultant list. For example, you can see L1 is a list where it consists of 3 elements, and we are repeating the operation by 3. So L1 list will be created 3 times and store it inside L2. Now L2 consists of 1, 2, 3 repeated 3 times. This type of operation is called as repeating the list. The third operation is slicing a list. Slicing, in a sense, we can create subparts, that is slices from the existing list. That is starting from some index and then ending index can be specified, and that slice can be retrieved as a new list. Slicing can be done in 2 formats. One is specifying the starting and ending index, and second one is specifying the starting, ending and then step index. We will see how to do the slicing inside a list. The first format of slicing is list of start colon end index. So how to slice the elements starting from 0 to 2? You have to give the statement like this: S equal to L of 0 colon 3. So this slicing retrieves the values from 0 up to end index minus 1. End index minus 1. So S consists of 0, 1, 2 and then 3. So 3 elements inside the S. So this type of process is called as slicing. In Python, there are various methods that helps us to manipulate inside a list. These methods are built-in methods which helps us in our program to manipulate the list for our needs. See, these are all the methods available in Python to manipulate the list. Append method helps you to add element to the list. Clear removes all the elements in the list. Insert an element in between the list. Extend multiple values inside a list. Pop, remove an element from the list. Remove also removes the element of the specified value, and counts the value inside the list. Sort, arrange the values in the list in ascending or descending order, and reverses the elements in the list. We will see these methods, format and how to use it in our next session. Thank you.